Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna cook a special soup which is the most like Turkish soup by foreigners. So let's start to the recipe. The ingredients: 200 gram lentil, that means 1 quarter cup of lentil. We need onion, oil, carrot, and if you want to add potato, or you can add potato, or instead of potato 1 spoon of flour, but you don't have to add flour, it's just to make it intensive. So first of all, I'm adding my onion and oil together and it will roast. Then I add tomato paste and I'll mix it. Mix it. And then I'm adding carrot, after that lentil. A little bit I mix it. Then I pour 1 liter water. If you think that it's more intensive, then you can add more water, maybe half more. Then leave it to cook, self-cook, wait for it. When all the carrots and lentils soften, crush them with blender. Then add some spices. I use black and red pepper. For the sauce, I put 2 spoons of butter and I add 1 teaspoon of red pepper. Mix them and it's ready. That's all. Now time to eat soup with the sauce. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you later. Bye.